So yeah, I woke up this morning and there was no wind at all. Now at the moment there's wind, finally at 3 o'clock. So yeah, I'm just gonna try to work my way back up the ladder, and hopefully it's gonna work out for me.
We're getting close to sunset, but the conditions are still good, so we're going to keep going to the conditions till it's pretty much pitch black. So as long as we can see the riders, they're going to keep riding and enjoying the conditions.
Good night everybody, and see you tomorrow for the last day of the competition here in China, Haikou.